Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you delete your Facebook account from your PC. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application. And after opening the Facebook application, simply go to your menus by clicking to this icon here. And from there you can go to settings and privacy by clicking into settings option here. Just simply go to settings, and after going to the settings, simply select Meta Account Center into the left side of your Facebook settings and privacy. Now after clicking to Meta Account Center, you just simply have to go into personal details there. And from here select the account ownership and control option. Now select deactivation or deletion option here. Simply click into that and select your Facebook account. From there you'll get two options. First one is to deactivate your account and second one is to delete your Facebook account. Select delete account option and click to continue. Now after coming here, it will say your page will also be deleted if you delete your account. Simply select the continue if you want to continue from here. And then Facebook will ask you the reason to leave the Facebook. Just simply select which one is suitable for you. Then click to continue. And now again click to continue and scroll a bit. Then you can see continue button again. Simply click into continue. Now as a last step, enter your password into this box given here. And again click to continue. By doing all this, you will get this delete account button into here. Simply click into that, and after doing that, your account will be deleted after 30 days of deactivation. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.